My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, we are going to be doing a bright, like pinkish orange coral spring look. Like, these are my colors. This is my, like, the color vibe, the color scheme of my personality. So I'm going to be using a palette I haven't used on camera in a while. It is the Neon Orange Obsessions by Huda Beauty. So the look I did with this when I first got it, I used this like bright yellow on the lid, and it's such a gorgeous color. I really want to use it again, but I'm not going to because I already used it in a video. So let's get started. I need to prime my eyelids. I usually do that before I come down, but I have been forgetting. I ordered the new NORVINA Volume 4 palette, and it's supposed to be here today, but I've been like waiting as long as I can, and it's not here yet. So I'm like, I'm just gonna have to do an eye look and do that palette some other time. But I have to go back to work the next 2 days, so that kind of sucks. I'm just gonna use this mini beauty sponge because I don't know what that brush is I'm looking for is. First, I'm gonna go in with this middle shade. It's like a really pretty light orange, and this Farrah blending brush 35E, and use this as our transition shade. Like, these mattes are so freaking amazing to work with. They're really pigmented and they blend beautifully, but not all of the shimmers, like her shimmers are like hit or miss. It's really frustrating. Like that yellow one is awesome, but the pink and the orange, like, they're not as like saturated when you put them on as the yellow one. Okay, now I'm going to take, this is a Elizabeth Mott tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with this like pinkish coral down here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love this color, probably my favorite in the palette. And put that just a little bit tighter in the crease. So I got stood up the other night. Freaking so like over dating. And we had like, he had even confirmed with me in the morning, like, what a douchebag, and can't even say, hey, I'm not going to be able to make it or anything. Fucking coward. And then I'm going to go back in with that blending brush, and I'm going to add a little bit of that first color we used and use that to blend it out. Oh, that's so pretty. What I'm going to do actually, okay, I'm going to use this e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm going to take that same color, and we're actually going to start like packing that on the outer third of our eye. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that color is. I can't. Oh my gosh, that is, oh, that's like the most beautiful thing in the world to me. I'm crazy, right? Anybody else feel like that with makeup? Oh, so gorgeous. I can't. I just want to sit here and like keep packing layer upon layer on it because it's just so pretty. Our outer third, not corner. We're still gonna go in with a color over this after we put the lid shade down. Okay, so now we're gonna put the lid shade down, and I'm gonna use this STILA Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in Tulip Twinkle. And here's a swatch. Alright. This is like a really beautiful, like, pinkish rose gold color. And if you don't have this, you can You could use the pink that's in here, or you could use just like any rose gold shadow you have. Oh, I should have brought down my ColourPop shadows so I could have told you like exactly which one. Okay, I know that looks kind of weird right now, but we're gonna pull it all together. But I'm gonna do the lower lash line now and wait for that lid shade to dry a little bit. So I'm gonna take this NYX eyeliner, this faux white eyeliner in linen, and put that on my lower lash line. And a light colored eyeliner is really gonna make your eyes like pop and open them up. And now I'm gonna go in with that same pink shade we put basically all over the eye. Okay, now I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna go in with this pinkish purple color and put that on the outer V. You know what? We might need some darker colors. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Norvina Volume 1 and use A3. Or you can use just any purple you have. And let's put that in the outer corner. Also going to take that color on the lower lash line, but not as far as I took the first color. I might try to put some of this pink on over top of that Stila shade. Let's see what it looks like. It's really pretty actually. Let's highlight the brow bone. I think I'm gonna go in with like really bright ass white in the Norvina palette. Let's see how that looks. I'm going to take a clean brush and a flesh toned powder and just clean up the inner part of the eye. Let me see what it looks like with some liner on. So I'm gonna give these magnetic, no, they're not magnetic. It's just eyeliner with lashes. It's not magnetic, and it's not like an adhesive, it's just a regular liner. So I'm going to line my eyes with that. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back. Okay, line your lips with any like coral lip liner, and we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in 818 first, and this is like a bright orange peach coral. Since I'm wearing kind of more like a muted outfit, I wanted to do like a lip that will really pop. Okay, so now I'm also going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Peachy, and I'm going to go in with a little lip brush just because I don't want to get this lipstick on the lip gloss, and put some of that over it. yeah, I wanted this to be like a more fun, like spring type moment, so I really wanted to include a glitter lip and just kind of give it, you know, that like glossy look, but also have a bright color. So okay, let's, I think I'm gonna do something. I really hope it turns out well because I'm not entirely in love with this eye look. I'm gonna go back in with the Neon Orange Obsessions, and I'm gonna take this yellow and put it in my inner corner. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. Actually, I'm kind of feeling that. Okay, so here is the completed look. Here is the completed look. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know how you feel about how it came out. I think now that it's done and I have that yellow in the corner, I'm really liking it more. So yeah, let me know what you think. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.